Our top rated ski in the category is the Blizzard Brahma. Now this ski defines the all-mountain front category. It's as solid at making short radius turns on the steeps as it is ripping GS turns on the groomers. The 88mm waisted Brahma has sandwich sidewalls plus 2.5 sheets of titanium around a full wood core for edge hold and stability. The Brahma also features tip and tail rocker added during the production process with Blizzard's FlipCore 3D technology, and sidewalls designed for constant edge pressure over the length of the ski. Testers awarded the Brahma top scores on the steadiness scale, followed by carving. Testers say it's stiff, very solid underfoot, and quick.